Hello lovers of Bookies Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So this video I'm just going to show you how to slick down your hair like a boss that you are. So you're going to use your heat protectant spray and you're going to use your wax. When using your wax, make sure you just apply on the roots of the hair, on the areas where you're going to use your hot comb. It's not a hair serum, so it's not supposed to be applied throughout your hair, just on the areas where you're going to use your hot comb. If it's a middle part, just apply on the middle part. If it's a side part, you apply on the side part, and that's it. So now that you're done, you're going to take your hot comb and watch what I do. You slick down and you bend. When you put your hot comb, you're going to use a iron and not your comb to slick the hair, and look at it. You can literally see the difference. So make sure you do what I'm telling you guys if you want the best look. You put your hot comb and you slick it down. You're not using your comb to slick this hair, you're using the iron on your comb to slick this hair, and that is where most of us get it wrong and wonder why our hair is not slick down and looking like all these Instagram and TikTok videos we see online. So here is a secret and you're welcome. So we are going to do the other side. You slick it down and use your comb to hold the hair and you iron to slick it down, and you begin to see the process. So guys, if you want something that is more slick than this, you're going to section your hair. So in case you're going to slick down your frontal like I'm doing, you're going to section your frontal into two, and you're going to slick the back part first, then you're going to go in and slick the front part. And that way, since the back part of your frontal is already slick, the front part is going to give a more slick illusion than what you can see here. So here's a bonus tip for those of us that want to be looking bust down, period. So guys, let's continue. So this video, I wasn't really doing anything specific. I just wanted to show you how to use your hot comb, how to slick down your hair to have the best results. And since we are here, this is an old video and I'm going to recommend you get an office pin so you could pin down your lace and prevent burns. I'm also going to recommend you get these heat resistant gloves that you could use. Best see your two places to be getting burnt by this hot comb day in day out, so don't do that to yourself. So now that we are done, we are going to take our holding spray and just make sure we hold what we have done in place to last for maybe a day or two, depending on how long you want it to last. If you want it to last longer, you're going to have to use your Gorilla gel. So after doing that, like I said, this was an old video, so I didn't have my office pins. So in case you don't have office pins, you're going to take your elastic band and you're going to place it on your hair after slicking it down. Then you're going to use any pins that you have, be it your caution pins or your C pins, and you're going to secure the elastic to the hair and use the pins to hold it down. This way you can work on it without fear of it ripping, as this elastic is going to act as a protective barrier against the pin and your lace. So I hope this video was helpful, and always do this after slicking and styling your frontal so that it could stay in place, and when you take this out, your hair is going to be looking beautiful. You can't do this before starting the process. You're going to miss a spot and you're going to have to do it again, because we can't have you looking costly out here, besties. So yeah, so do this after styling your hair and prevent burns by using a heat resistant glove, and buy office pins so you could just pin your lace down and you don't have to go through all the struggle of using an elastic band and whatnot. But this is for those who do not have it yet. Obviously, where there is a will, there is a way. So here is a way out for us, besties. So later on, I finally got the office pins because I didn't know it was a little bit complicated to find them, but I got them, and after using them, I was really happy with the outcome. It didn't rip the lace and it was so perfect, easy to take out. So I definitely recommend. So guys, here's how you could secure your lace for styling and prevent rip outs, stories that touch, prevent destroying your lace. So I hope this video was helpful. So I'm going to do a recap. First, protect your hair before using heat on it. Second, use the iron on your hot comb to slick down your hair and not the comb itself. Third, use an elastic band to act as a barrier before securing your pins to your hair. And fourth, always make sure you look fabulous, because I'm always here giving you inspirations for styles and whatnot. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you'll be updated on any video that I post. And now we're going to get into the styling, and our part 2 is one coil, so make sure you check it out, guys. Bye bye.